you, George? Good morning! Gising na ang lahat. Ayun si Dudong. Kumain na siya pero hindi pa ubos. Mamaya na yan siya. Ayla's eating as well. After nito, papalitan ko to. Kasi na-prepare ko na yung kanyang lunchbox. So your bag has the library bag in it, okay? So if you go to the library, you know what to do. What book are you gonna choose today? Daddy likes reading books with bigger letters. Yung last book na dala niya, maliit na book. So, saya-saya ni Dan, ang liit ng book. Tapos, pag-open niya, ang liliit pala ng letters sa daming ang daming words ba? Tagal matapos kahit ang liit ang nipis. Itong mga anak ko, after makarin ng isa, gusto pa ng isa pa. Sabi ni Dan, next time, yung malalaki yung letters. Para konti lang yung words. Konti lang yung babasahin niya. Happy Thursday! Mamaya, siguro anong oras na ba? Basta 8:30 to 9:30 daw pupunta yung ayos ng garage namin. Sana maayos na yun. Kakapagod lumabas. Lalo na, ngayon okay na. Hindi na masyadong umuulan. Nung umuulan talaga lagi. Minsan, umaambon, tapos kailangan namin lumabas kasi yung car nasa labas. Here, ate. Yung uniform ni Ayla, di ba nilabhan ko kahapon? Tapos nilalabhan ko lang siya ng quick cycle. So, hindi siya kagaya ng normal cycle namin na sobrang pigang-piga yung damit. Kasi yung normal cycle namin, like, tumatagal siya ng mga close to 3 hours, pero pigang-piga yung damit, guys. Like, ang bilis niya lang mag-dry. Kahit na dito namin isampay sa loob, ang bilis niya lang mag-dry, kinabukasan dry na agad siya. Depende kung gaano kadami, gaano ka sikip siguro yung sitwasyon ng mga damit. Kung quick cycle lang, paglabas niya, sobrang basa pa din siya. So yung ginagawa ko, isinahang ko siya sa labas, tapos nililipat ko siya, paggabi na nililipat ko siya dito sa loob. Para sure na ma-dry talaga siya. Kasi may mountain dew. May morning dew, diba? Na parang amog ba yun? Naamogan yung damit, tas para siyang, you're thirsty? Para siyang basa. Nakalimutan ko siyang kunin. Please? So, kaninang umaga, kinuha ko siya. Nilabas ko yung nilabhan ko. Nilagay ko dyan sa couch, katapat nung namin, vents namin ng heater. And okay na siya ngayon. Kanina, dry na siya, pero parang medyo, yun nga, hindi naman damp. Basta meron na siyang, yung morning dew nga. Pero, yeah, okay na siya ngayon. Naka-ready na yung damit ni Ayla. Ito na naman yung breakfast ko. Yung mana. Buttered toast.
Buttered toast?
Buttered toast. Since yan early doon. Tapos si Dan, hindi pa niya naayos yung car seat. Merong note doon sa katabi ng namin, washing machine, coffee machine, fixed car seat para hindi niya makalimutan. So before sila umalis ni Ayla, ayusin pa niya yung car seat ko. Ang car seat ni Arlo.
Bon appetit, guys.
Ganda talaga nitong spray na to, Dok. Pag naubos na to, lalagyan ko to ng ibang detangler solution. Yung sa Palmolive. Kasi ang ganda-ganda ng spray na yan. Ang bilis-bilis lang. This is from Ecolux. Sinend sa amin yan eh. Thank you. It's a brand. So I will do the same hair as yesterday.
Yeah.
Yay! We like that hair, don't we?
Yeah, we like it.
Gusto niya nakikita na yung length ng
I
buhok
got
niya.
her ice cream.
Gusto niya magpahaba ng buhok. Ha? You want milk? Ate, can you share your milk? Thank you. Sharing. Thank you, ate.
Need more one of these.
You do? Ayla's turn. Aww. Ate's
You
turn.
can have it.
Good job, guys. Ang bilis naman ni Daddy. Naayos na ata ni Daddy yung cursive. All done, Daddy?
It took
Thank you.
us last night. I was seeing why you in Daddy's bed.
Well, that's how it goes. I put you to sleep and then I go in Daddy's bed. Because that's my bed.
No, it's not.
It's Daddy and Mommy's bed.
But I water.
Oh, I'm big old. I'm a big girl. I can sleep.
You're a big girl. You can sleep on your own.
Oh.
You're a big girl.
I can have a demon Elsa.
Yeah.
And Anna.
Yeah.
Where are you
I
ready?
don't have
Stop,
a
boy, stop.
demon. I don't have a demon out night. I got to
Mine.
sleep out by
Oh,
myself,
God.
Daddy.
I got it.
Daddy.
Daddy, listen to Ate.
I don't to sleep out by myself at night.
Where are we going? Do you want a dinosaur?
No.
Daddy, don't annoy him. Ay, naku.
Daddy's dinosaur.
Daddy.
Daddy's dinosaur. Daddy's hungry. Can I eat you? I'm a monster. No. I have to eat, my boy.
Naiinis na naman yung daddy niya.
What's that? It's mommy. It's Daddy's. It's Daddy's.
Beautiful. So your hat is still in your
Yes,
bag?
try this for me. Let me do it. I got it.
Mag-name reveal na kaya tayo, ate. Huh? What's your baby girl's name?
What?
What's baby's name? How do you spell it?
What? I don't know.
You don't know? How do you spell your name?
What?
How do you spell your name, Ayla?
I.
Isla.
Yeah. You jumping? Yeah. You're dinosaur.
Dinosaurs don't jump.
Yeah. Dinosaur don't jump. Here, do you want to put perfume on?
I'm here. What can't do it?
Maybe it's all gone. That's why you didn't hear it. It's all gone. It's all finished.
And we use the new one.
Yeah. Is there a new one there? Yeah, put it back and get a new one.
You're not going to school.
Do you want to come to school with Arlie today, Arlie? You guys can be at school together, same classroom.
I'm not to school. But I'm going to school. I go to preschool.
Yeah, you go to preschool now. You're a big girl.
Preschool.
You got her backpack, babe, or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Preschool.
You want to go to preschool too?
Yes.
Okay, wait until you're 3.
I do.
Oh, he wants to go to preschool, Dada. We'll go later, Arlo. We'll pick up Ate later. Hala. Suot na siya shirts. Hala. Patay ka, Daddy.
Okay, sit down.
Sit down, Arlo.
Okay, say goodbye to Arlie.
Now I got 2 stairs.
Say bye to Arlo, Ate. He wants shoes.
Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, oh, look. He wants a kiss. Bye.
Come on.
Kiss, Ate.
He can go to my pizza.
Look, look.
Kiss.
He can go to my pizza.
Hug. Come on, hug. Kiss.
Oh, you guys.
He can go to
How about Mommy? Ayla. Love you.
You can go to my pizza.
Stay with Mommy. Arlie, Arlie, stay with
Hello,
Mommy.
come here. That's okay. Just don't put him in.
Mommy.
Okay, come on, Arlie, quick.
Come on, Ate. Hello, come here. We need to put your uniform. Where's your uniform? Go, Ate,
Arlie,
go.
you put your jumper on. Arlie, put your jumper on. Go,
Yeah, your uniform. Come here.
Arlie, no, your jumper.
Come here, Alo. Your uniform. I got your uniform here. Come here. Watch out. Suko, galit. Oh, it's okay. Oh, punta na sana siya preschool. Here. Daddy, Mommy's car. Ate's car. Oh. Here. Come to Mama. Come to Mama. Oh, baby. We'll pick up Ate later, okay? We'll go to Ate's school later. It's okay. Ooh, we're waiting for the roller door guy. Yes? We're waiting for him so he can fix our roller door. We can watch birds while we're waiting. Do you want to watch the birds fly?
No.
No? What do you want to do?
Mama's
Mama's car. Okay. Go in Mama's car. Go. Is it a big raptor? A small raptor?
No, this is a T-Rex.
Careful there.
It's a T-Rex.
It's not a T-Rex. It's a raptor.
I want strawberry.
You want strawberry? Okay, coming. Do you want strawberry lollipop?
No.
No?
Milk.
You don't want strawberry anymore? Mainom ng gatas. I just got it ready for you. Ooh, this is a yucky one. Do you want strawberry now?
Strawberry now.
Okay.
Finish.
Thank you.
Strawberry now.
Do you want strawberry
I
lollipop?
want this back.
Uy, careful.
Ew.
You fell? Here?
No.
Do you want to just hold it? Or you want to do it? Pinupoke niya. Strawberry lollipop. Bill, hold it. Good boy. More. Oh, well done. Yummy. Yummy, yummy in Alu's belly. What do you say? What do you say? You're welcome. Enjoy. I know. Yummy. Oh, oh. Silly boy. Hello, time check. 11:47 na ng umaga. Si Arlo ay tulog. I'm gonna cook lunch. Ang aga niya nagising kanina, wala pang 8, gising na siya. So alam ko kukulangin yung tulog niya. And hindi ko siya pinatulog agad nung umalis si na daddy. Because alam ko na may pupunta yung aayos nga ng roller door namin, and I know na magdo-doorbell yun, magigising na naman si Arlo. So I waited hanggang matapos siya. It's all fixed. Mag-iitlog lang ako guys, yung itlog na medyo brown yung ilalim, tapos basta simpulan na itlog lang. So damihan ng oil, tapos painitin ng bongga, and then I will eat it with my crab meat as well. So yung last kain ko nito was nung na-vlog ko pa siya guys, kasi dahan-dahan tayo dito. Ito yung from Bez Acre. Masarap siya, nandun yung lasa. Kaya lang nalalasahan ko lang yung shell. So meron pa siyang maraming shell na halo. But it's good. Hintayin ko lang na mag-brown yung ilalim. Ay, gosh. So, brown na yung ilalim. Patayin ko na to guys kasi nangisog na siya guys. Brown na yung ilalim. So, yung gagawin ko is kukuha ako ng oil. Tapos, ilalagay ko sa taas. Para medyo maluto yung taas. Naluluto lang siya with the hot oil. Perfect na yan. There you go. Oh my gosh, ang perfect. Ang brown ng ilalim. Ay, ang konti lang ng crab meat. Ininit ko lang siya. Tinakpan ko siya kasi last time hindi ko tinakpan guys. Ang baho ng ano namin oven. Microwave oven ba? So every time we open it, naamoy ko siya. Ang tahimik ng bahay. Walang naka-on na TV. Ako lang mag-isa. Ay, nako. Ito, oh. Tingnan niyo yung ilalim. Brown. And, baka perfect na to. Wait, kain tayo, guys. I'm eating lunch on my own. Walang kukulit sa akin. Hindi nasanay. hindi nasanay na walang nandito gilid. Mommy, rice. Yummy. Ah. Ingay-ingay. Tulog siya. Kasi ilang araw na kasi siya hindi nagnanap. But, alam ko kasi na kapag hindi siya nagnap sa sitwasyon niya kanina, matutulog yun sa car, siguro papunta sa school ni Ayla, or mamaya, kapag dinner time na, alam mo yun. So, pinatulog ko na lang siya. Lagay tayo konting crab meat. Masarap tong crab meat nila kasi spicy. Yum. And then, malamig na coconut water. And more. Ito yung masarap na coconut water. Pinakamasarap na na-try ko. And meron siya sa Costco. So, bumili kami ng isang box last time pumunta kami. Sarap-sarap niya. Pero available din to sa Kohl's, sa Woolies, I'm pretty sure. Alright. Perfect drink. Let's keep eating. Ay, nakatignan niyo naman to. Kakarating lang namin galing school. You went to preschool, yeah. Can you take off your uniform, please, so I can wash it? Take off your uniform so I can wash it. Pagdating agad, I wanna build a playground for Arlo daw. So, tingnan nyo naman.
Mommy, let's stop the T-Pain.
Yeah. And look at this. Yan, gustong-gusto niya yan, ginagawa. Binubuhos niya dyan yung mga soft toys kasi ball pit daw. You jumped!
Mom, can you help me?
Of course I can.
Yes, Mommy.
Ganda ng outfit ni ate. Oh, yun yung pinili niya suotin today. I love it!
It's sorry, I'm not buying.
Aww.
I'm going to preschool tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow she's going back to preschool. She forgot her library bag. So maybe, yeah, that's okay.
And I think it's in preschool.
It's in preschool, yes. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Daddy will in the morning, okay?
Daddy pick up in.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Daddy is so excited. He was gonna read you that book.
But I didn't like it.
What do you mean? Daddy hasn't read it yet.
But I didn't like it.
Well,
I haven't yet. I haven't read it to you yet.
yeah, he hasn't.
It's a really good book.
It don't have a big letter. It don't have a small letter.
It's got small letters? Oh no, Daddy, it's got small letters again.
That's gonna be hard for me.
I didn't like it. I didn't like it, Mom. I didn't like it.
There were a lot of books to choose from.
But I didn't like the book.
That's
There's
okay.
a lot of books though, but I didn't like it.
None of it you liked. Really?
No, I didn't like it.
Okay, that's okay.
Oh wow, this is the house with snakes. Mom, Mommy,
I got more stuff from Amazon para sa aking koko.
I put that for me.
I got 100%
Mommy.
pure castor oil para kapag ni-remove ko yung aking press-on nails, ito yung gagamitin ko. And then, bumili din ako nito.
Can I see?
Maliit na nail lamp. Meron ako nito, diniclutter ko, guys. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi ako gumagawa ng sarili kong nails. Pero ngayon ako nagagawa. Beetles na top gel. So, kasi ito, di ba, yung press-on nails na ginamit ko, meron siyang mga nagka-crack. Yung parang yung print niya nag-crack. So, sabi ko, kapag gumamit ulit ako, lalagyan ko siya ng top gel, top coat. Ito. And then, i-cure ko siya. Char. I-cure ko siya. Char, mga curing. Para mas mag-last yung kuko. Kasi naglalast siya sa kuko ko, pero yung kuko mismo, yun nga, ayan. See? Parang natanggal yung print sa baba. Pero nung nilagyan ko na siya ng top coat, yung regular top coat lang, it was much better. So yan, gel, top coat na talaga yan. So hinihintay ko pa din kung kailan siya, as in magtatanggalan talaga. Kailan ba yung natanggal yung isa? Kahapon at, the other day natanggal yung isa. But the rest is still like stuck on my nails. So gusto ko lang talaga malaman kung hanggang kailan talaga siya. Kapag na-notice ko na nag-start na siyang mag-lift and that, tatanggalin ko na siya and papalitan natin. Kasi gusto ko na siyang palitan. So I think her other artworks are in that bag as well because her teacher said she made a lot. But I only have one here. Excited akong gamitin ko. Sa Amazon ko lang to pinag-order lahat. Kasi free shipping ako sa Amazon. Hindi ko nga alam bakit ako free shipping. Wala na akong Prime. Kinancel ko yung Prime ko eh. Pero yeah, free shipping pa din siya. So, in-order ko siya sa Amazon lahat. Meron kang sarili mong rice. Bakit yung akin talaga? Wow, sexy na ang daddy natin. Oh, here.
Oh, you know my food.
Yeah.
I'll feed him.
Sarah.
Don't rush. Come on, Daddy.
Come on, look. Daddy's got veggies.
Come on, sit here.
Sabi ko, yung lulutuin ko yung walang hihiwain. Kasi meron akong ano dyan, talong. Meron akong ampalaya. Kaya sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Tapos para kong hihilo. Sabi ko yung walang hihiwain. Wala din. Nakatayo pa din ako the whole
Okay,
time.
sit.
Ito na yung niluto ko. Hotdog at saka ano. Para dire-diretso na sana ba?
I like your dinner as well.
You like my dinner? Are you serious?
I am.
Okay.
That's alright. No, yeah.
Gusto niya daw yung
that's fine.
dinner
I
namin.
got plenty here.
Nilutuan ko pa kasi si Dan yan. Schnitzel, nilagyan ko ng egg, nagluto pa ko ng gravy. Nasikaso ko pa yung ano niya, veggies niya. I was like, I'm gonna cook something simple, like nothing that I have to like chop more ingredients. And then I was still standing the whole time. I was like, I don't want to stand for a long time. And then, yeah, that seemed like a long time still.
What did Jay say?
Yeah, Thursday. Thursday at 9 in the morning. That's perfect. After I take care of Isla and all that, we can just drive.
I'm done.
Me and Alo. Right, Alo?
Hi.
Mate, eat it.
After you what? Sorry, Marla?
After we get Isla ready and you leave,
Ah.
I'll leave as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have some spring roll, my love.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Oh. Why?
Pretty bit of tongue, knowing her.
Si Ayla nga din gusto kumain sa lounge. And kapag nag-dinner kami, sabi namin dito talaga, wala akong energy makipagtalo, guys. Bala ka, sige, diyan ka.
Mama.
More?
You okay, ate? Okay.